Rahul goes over to see his neighbor. He has a ferocious looking dog. As Rahul approaches the gate, the dog starts to bark wildly. The neighbor comes out and says to Rahul, "Come on, Rahul, don't be scared. You must have heard the old proverb, a barking dog never bites." "Yes," replied Rahul. "I know the proverb, uncle. You know the proverb, a barking dog never bites. But does your dog really know a barking dog never bites?" Parents, teacher, educator, the short and funny story teaches us that we must tell our children, yes, traditions are very important. All the old rituals are very important. However, they need to be curious. They need to be inquisitive and find out whether these traditions and these rituals really hold good in the present times. What is the importance of them? Check them. Make sure that they are curious enough. We want our children to be thinkers, to be thought leaders, not just blindly follow. I am your parenting coach. Follow me for
Hey
more.
everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.